Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we discuss about chemical bonding. Myself Amit Tade from CSMS College, Aurangabad. So before start the chemical bonding, we should know what is the atom. Atom it is the smallest individual particle of an element which cannot be further subdivided. If you consider the example of helium, in helium it contains nucleus. Within this nucleus, proton and neutron are present and electron are continuously revolve around the orbit. Electron shell. Number of electrons present in an atom, it indicates its atomic number. Electrons vary in amount of energy they possess and they occur certain energy level in electron shell. Electron shell determine how the atom behave in counter to other atom. Electrons are placed in a shell according to the rule. So basically electron always fill in increasing order. In first shell it contains 2 electrons, in second shell it contains 8 electrons. So what is the octet rule? Atom tends to gain or lose or share electron to complete its octet, known as octet rule. Each and every atom try to attain the stable electronic configuration. If you consider the 3 examples, nitrogen, oxygen and carbon. Carbon having atomic number 6, nitrogen having atomic number 7 and oxygen having atomic number 8. So when we discuss about the number of electrons required to complete its octet, carbon required 4 more electrons, nitrogen required 3 more electrons and oxygen required 2 more electrons. Why electrons are important? Elements have the different electronic configuration. Different electronic configuration means the different level of bonding. If we focus on this sheet, in first shell hydrogen, in second shell lithium, barium, boron and other, and third shell sodium. If you consider the atomic number is 1, that means in 1 electron always enter first shell. In second shell, when you enter second shell, lithium, barium and other. If you consider focus on carbon, carbon has atomic number 6. So that means in first shell 2 electrons are present and remaining 4 electrons are enter in a second shell. Similar way, sodium atomic number is 11. Distribution of electron is 2, 8, 1. Last shell contain 1 electron. That is electron enter in the last shell. Chemical bond attempt to fill the electron shell. Basically, transfer of electron, sharing of mutual sharing of electron, we are divided into the following category: chemical bond, ionic bond, metallic bond. First we discuss about ionic bond. Bond formed by between the two ions by the transfer of electron. So in this process, electron are transferred from one atom to another atom. That means one should be metal and second one should be non-metal. Generally, metal has a tendency to donate electron and non-metal having tendency to accept electron. So how the formation of this ion take place? So focus on sodium. Atomic number is 11. Distribution of electron is 2, 8, 1. In last shell it contains 1 electron. So by losing 1 electron, sodium ion it acquires the positive charge. One more example is there. Magnesium atomic number is 12. Distribution of electron is 2, 8, 2. Last shell contains 2 electron. To attain the stability, these 2 electrons are transferred to other atom. So after losing 2 electrons, it acquires double positive. Why double positive? Because it loses 2 electrons. Subtypical ion with positive charge cation. So this is first group, second group and third group. First group means it loses 1 electron, second group loses 2 electrons and third group loses 3 electrons. Ionic bond. Atomic bond in between the metal and non-metal with having different electronegativity. Bond formed by the transfer of electron produce the charge ion all the stage, conduct they have a high melting point. For example, NaCl CaC into K2O. So this is the graphical representation. This is sodium atom, it donates 1 electron, and this chlorine atomic number is 17. Distribution of electron is 2, 8, 7. Last orbit contains 7 electrons for stability. It accepts 1 iron electron from sodium. This is electrostatic attraction, and due to electrostatic attraction it form a bond in between Na and Cl. This is one more example. This is sodium and this is chlorine. It is having higher capacity than compared to this sodium, so this accept or attract the charge over towards itself. So one of big greedy three-piece dog. So diagrammatically we can also show that the sodium atom, it loses this electron towards this chlorine atom, and after getting it acquired positive charge, it acquired negative charge, and this formation of NaCl take place. So ionic bond is nothing but any electron from the sodium transferred to chlorine due to charge in balancing to each other. Sodium atom having positive charge and chlorine atom negative charge. This is structure of NaCl. If you observe the NaCl closely, it looks like a cube-like structure, like sugar. Second one is a covalent bond formed by the sharing of electron. So in this type of bond formation, a similar atom or dissimilar atom are participated. Most important condition is both are the non-metallic species, and in between non-metallic species sharing of electron take place. Sharing is not permanently accepted, but they share for the few moment. Stable non-ionized particle, they do not conduct any state. For example, oxygen, CO2. This is two similar atoms. They share the electron for the stability, known as covalent bond. Bond in all the polyatomic ion and diatomic, they are called covalent bond. Next one is non-polar covalent bond. When electrons are shared equally, hydrogen or chlorine. Covalent bond, oxygen atom, same atom sharing one electron. Oxygen molecule is formed. When electrons are shared but shared unequally, like H2. This is polar type of covalent bonding formed between HF. This is hydrogen and this is fluorine. So unequal sharing. Basically, it is different point from the covalent, but such triadic bond also known as covalent bond. This is example of water molecule. We focus on this. This red color is oxygen atom and white color two low bar showing hydrogen. So electrons are transferring from hydrogen to oxygen. This is ionic bond, a sea of electron. This is nucleus, and around this electron are present. Metal from alloy. So all these are the basic example for practice how the ionic bond are formed. This is atomic number of hydrogen, atomic number of carbon, and it gives number within the covalent bond. So this is a very famous first part bond, and second part, third part, and most one. Thank you.